These aren't your average Amazon gadgets. One can become your AI pet, another creates a 201-inch virtual screen, and one even keeps your coffee perfectly hot all day. Stick around because number 1 gadget is so impressive, you'll wonder why everyone doesn't own one. Number 12. Samsung T7. Portable SSD 1TB. Slow file uploads can be very annoying, particularly if dealing with large videos or thousands of photos. That's where the Samsung T7 Portable SSD shines. It gives super fast read and write speeds, which allow you to transfer large files in seconds, not in minutes. It is streamlined with aluminum body, compact enough to fit into the pocket, and very durable to withstand daily use on the roads. Your files are password secured with AES 256-bit hardware encryption, while its USB connectivity works with laptops, tablets, phones, gaming, consoles, and cameras. Whether you're editing 4K videos, baking up important documents, or expanding your storage on the go, Samsung T7 is one of the simplest upgrades that make a huge difference. Number 11. Nextmug self-heating mug. Cold coffee becomes a thing of the past. The Nextmug keeps every sip at the perfect temperature. Simply choose your preferred heat setting and let it do the rest. No more trips to the microwave. No more lukewarm drinks. The rechargeable charging base keeps your mug powered throughout the day. Simple one-touch controls make switching temperatures quick and easy. It has the elegant design with the ceramic coat, which looks fantastic in any desk. Ideal for work, study, games, or relaxation at home. Savor hot coffee and tea every sip. Just a low-tech device to make life better each day. Number 10. Rocketbook Mini Smart Notebook. Write it down, scan it instantly, save it forever, then erase and use it again. This is the magic of the Rocketbook Mini. Experience the comfort of handwriting without the clutter of used notebooks. Quickly scan and organize your notes with Rocketbook app. Send them directly to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Evernote, and more. When you're finished, simply wipe usable pages clean with a damp cloth and start again. Small enough to fit in a pocket or backpack. It is perfect for students, professionals, and creators who want less paper, better organization, and smarter note-taking. Number 9. Elikliv L CD Digital Microscope. There's an entire world hiding in plain sight. The Elikliv Digital Microscope lets you explore it. Inspect circuit boards, coins, jewelry, insects, plants, and tiny details with ease. The built-in LCD screen gives you a clear live view. Adjustable LED lights improve visibility in any environment. Capture photos and videos with a single button. Rechargeable power makes it easy to use anywhere, fun for kids, useful for hobbyists. A surprisingly handy gadget for curious minds. Number 8. Wolfbox G 930 Mirror Dash Cam. Upgrade your rearview mirror into a smart driving assistant. The Wolfbox G 930 records both the front and rear of your vehicle at the same time. The large touchscreen replaces your standard mirror with a crystal clear display. Night vision improves visibility after dark. Loop recording captures every journey automatically. Parking assistance makes reversing much easier. Installation is quick and straightforward. Extra safety without taking up dashboard space. A simple upgrade every driver can appreciate. Number 7. UGREEN Nexode 300 watts 5-port GAN desktop charging station. The UGREEN Nexode produces astounding 300 watts complete power, so you can run and charge your whole device from one compact hub. Power up laptops, phones, tablets, gaming handhelds, and accessories simultaneously. The reliable 140-watt USB-C charging port even supports wireless fast charging of a 16th-inch MacBook Pro. Advanced GAN technology means a higher efficiency while minimizing heat. Compact design optimizes your desk space by delivering performance without sacrificing space. Supports USB-C and Universal, compatible for Apple, Samsung, Dell, Lenovo Steam Deck, and more. An elegant outlet solution for maintaining a clean, efficient, and productive work environment. It's a must-have for any modern desk. Number 6. EcoFlow River 3. Whether you're camping, working remotely, or preparing for emergencies, portable shower is an essential gadget to have on hand. The EcoFlow River 3 is a very portable, yet quite powerful system. The single-piece X-GAN-based construction guarantees an incredibly quiet performance with excellent efficiency. The robust LiFePO4 battery provides over 3,000 charge cycles, a lifespan that lasts for years, whether using AC power or solar panels, delivering a durable experience. It is designed to provide multiple AC outputs, USB ports, and DC outputs to easily power laptops, drones, cameras, lights, phones, and even light small household appliances. It's a portable power station built for almost any adventure. Number 5. Victrola Stream Carbon Turntable. Vinyl records have never sounded more modern. The Victrola Stream Carbon is a retro analog radio with modern wireless connectivity. Stream your loved recordings directly to a Sonos-compatible speaker with no extra adapters required. The lightweight carbon fiber tone arm, premium aluminum headshell, and respected Ordophon 2 M cartridge provide unmatched detail, warmth, and clarity from every album. Elevates your records, ensures the consistent sound quality under variable tracking conditions. Number 4. XREAL Beam Pro Spatial Media Hub. AR glasses become dramatically more powerful when paired with the XREAL Beam Pro. It's a small device that runs the custom Nebula operating system, enabling millions of Android games and apps, cloud gaming, streaming, and productivity software to appear on a giant virtual display. Full HD 3D video footage and immersive spatial photo content are captured with a dual 50-megapixel camera and can be viewed as captured. Install the XREAL glasses and you'll find you have a portable workstation, personal movie theater, interactive gaming, and creative studio in your backpack. Whether you are editing docs, viewing films, having a video meeting, or playing games in the cloud, the Beam Pro puts portable computing into a futuristic perspective. Number 3. HOVERAir X 1 PROMAX. Creating cinematic videos usually requires expensive drones and skilled pilots. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX changes that completely. It's under 250 grams, ready to fly at the click of a button. Intelligent framers maintain ideal framing of your pose while automatically tracking your movements, assisted by advanced AI. It takes crisp 8K videos and stunning 48-megapixel photos with minimal work. Intelligent flight modes automatically produce dramatic shots in cinematic style, and enclosed propellers enhance safety at takeoff and landing. It's like bringing your very own camera team with you. Number 2. RayNeo Air 3S Pro. Carry a giant screen wherever you go. The RayNeo Air 3S Pro transforms any space into your personal theater. It creates a massive virtual display that feels up to 201 inches. Advanced micro OLED panels deliver rich colors, deep blacks, and incredible detail. Every movie looks more cinematic. Every game feels more immersive. Even work becomes more enjoyable on a huge virtual screen. TÜV certified low blue light protection helps reduce eye strain during extended sessions. The lightweight design stays comfortable for hours of use. Adjustable brightness adapts to different environments with ease. Compatible with smartphones, laptops, handheld consoles, and more. A portable entertainment powerhouse that easily fits inside your backpack. Number 1. Loona Smart Robot Pet. If your next pet never had to be fed or cleaned, then what? Introducing Loona, one of the most intelligent AI-controlled pet robots that can be owned. It is capable of walking, running, playing, and reacting to near-lifelike movements. It has 6 precision motors to move naturally without you. It features a clever RGB camera and cutting-edge sensors that identify faces, steer clear obstacles, and follow voice instructions with ease. Loona enjoys interactive games, new tricks, and watching you from room to room. Use it more, the more fun it will be. With the regular software update, it unlocks new skills, personalities, and behaviors over time. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane tech videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.